Hello to everyone once again in my channel. So today I'm going to park near my village. Not park, it's like a garden. So and it's almost 2:30. Hang out with my auntie and sister. My sister has come today. She was gone to her mother house. So let's go. The view, the sky right now is very cool. You can see here, it's nice. It's look nice. Wow, I like it. It seems like heaven. I'm feeling warm, that's why I removed my muffler. Here they are. यहाँ चाहिँ हाम्रो मन्दिर छ. You all can see. यहाँ माथि चाहिँ मेन हो. And here it is. We are ready to eat this now. It's like this. Her name is Smriti and is her bun. Smriti bun. Welcome to Smriti bun, right? Dami ba? Hara kosto ba?
Nice.
It is so nice.
Our stops are here. Go. Now we are returning home. We have enjoyed so much. मजा आयो यार त. There were अब भिड पनि पुरै थियो नि त. अरू बेला त्यस्तो हुँदैन. आज अलिक भिड थियो. Our village is there. त्यहाँनिर हो हाम्रो गाउँ चाहिँ. अझै लास्टको घर हो हाम्रो चाहिँ. छत मात्रै देख्दैछ नि यहाँबाट. यहाँ चाहिँ यस्तो छ. त्यही हो, त्यहाँ पुग्नु पर्छ. अहिले sky चाहिँ दामी भइरहेको रहेछ. So I'm ending this vlog here. Hope you like it and enjoy it. Please share, like and subscribe my channel. If you want to see something. No. I want to tell you once again. Please like, share, subscribe with my friends.